Hello guys, second part of the email, the format of an email. Different email systems normally provide us with their own ready-made formats. However, we should be aware of the current email conventions and standard practices. When we receive an internet email message, it usually contains many lines before the beginning of the actual text. These lines consist of a header, which is a record of the path the message took from the sender's computer to the reader's computer. Header also often contain a time and date stamps and an indication of whether files are attached of the message. Three most important pieces of information in the header are the email address of the sender and the receptionist, and a subject line that tells what the message is about. All email message contains these three pieces of information. When a person sends an email message, the program usually insert his/her name, return email address, and date automatically. Therefore, the sender need not type his or her name, email address, and date. He/she just need to fill in. First point about the to line with the receptionist email address. Second, the subject line with a clear and concise description of the subject of his or her message. The carbon copy line with the email address of any who is to receive a copy of the email address. Thus, an email includes the following: heading, salutation, body, closing, signature. The heading segment of an email includes the following: date, from, to, subject, carbon copy. Date. The line indicates the date of a email was written. It includes the day, month, year, and the exact time. While sending an email message, the date line usually appear automatically. Examples दिया हुआ बेटा, डेट आ गई, डे आ गया, और ये टाइम भी आ गया. इसमें सारी चीज़ें दी हुई हैं बेटा. द फॉर्म कि जिसके पास से भेजा जा रहा है. लाइन contains the sender's name and email address. The name does not include any personal title such as Miss, Mrs., Mr., Doctor, etc. While sending an email message, the sender address usually appear automatically. अब बेटा फ्रॉम ये दिए हुए हैं कि किसकी ईमेल से या हमें वो आया हुआ है मैसेज. द टू लाइन इंक्लूड्स द रिसेप्शनिस्ट ईमेल एड्रेस. एग्जाम्पल टू किसको भेजा जाना है. अब उसका एड्रेस हमें पता होना चाहिए जिसके पास भेजना है. द सब्जेक्ट लाइन समराइजेज द टॉपिक ऑफ द ईमेल इन ए फ्यू वर्ड्स. एग्जाम्पल सब्जेक्ट बिल्कुल सिलेक्ट होना चाहिए. मार्केट फीडबैक है जैसे रिटर्न ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा लीव, इस तरह से. कार्बन कॉपी. द कार्बन कॉपी लाइन में इंक्लूड्स द ईमेल एड्रेस ऑफ एनी who is to receive a copy of email message. It is an optional line. मतलब कार्बन कॉपी आपको चाहिए नहीं चाहिए ये ऑप्शनल होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल अब इसमें कार्बन कॉपी के लिए एड्रेस आपको दिए गए हैं बेटा. द BCC blind carbon copy is a copy of the original which bears no evidence that the copy was sent to some other person also. A salutation should be used if email is being used as a means to reach out to people outside the sender's organizations. The same name as in the to line can be used with a personal title such as Miss, Mrs., Mr., and Doctor. However, salutations may be omitted if the email is being used to send information inside the sender's organizations. एग्जाम्पल डियर माया, डियर डॉक्टर ब्राइट, ये दिए हुए बेटा इसके एग्जाम्पल हैं. द बॉडी ऑफ एन ईमेल contains द कंप्लीट डिटेल ऑफ द मैसेज. इट शुड बी डिवाइडेड इंटू suitable paragraph if the message is a lengthy one. The closing usually includes words of good wishes such as best regards, kind regards, regards sincerely, yours faithfully, thank you, all the best, and so on. The in signature line in an email message generally contains only the writer's name. However, it may sometimes include the title and the organization of the sender. To sum up, email and letters are almost similar in style. Email between relatives, friends, and colleagues can be informal, but business email can be semi-formal or formal depending on the individual relationship and what the message is about. The following are some basic rules for writing an email. You do not have to write dear sir, madam, message, etc. You don't have to use a particular formal, for example, subscription at the end. Also, you can just put your name. You should be consistent in style. Don't vary between formal and informal. Your language should be very clear, simple, and direct. The message should be divided into proper paragraph. The message should be short and to the point. The subject line should summarize the points of the message so that the reader at once becomes clear about the content of the email. बेटा अब एक स्पेसिमेन दिखा रही हूँ मैं कि आपने कैसे लिखना है इसको. स्पेसिमेन ऑफ एन इनफॉर्मल ईमेल 2, जिसको हमने लिखना है बेटा, उसका हमें ईमेल एड्रेस पता होना चाहिए. फ्रॉम, जिसके पास से लिखा जा रहा है उसका ईमेल एड्रेस. अब डेट ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगी बेटा. सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा हमारा कि हम किसके ऊपर लिख रहे हैं. अब सैल्यूटेशन आ गया, हे पॉल. तो सॉरी टू से आई विल बी ए बाइट लेट फॉर टुनाइट्स रिहर्सल एज सम things come up at home and I won't be able to get away on time. I hope to make it by 7:15. अब नाम दिया हुआ है विक्रम बेटा. इस तरह से आपने ईमेल लिखनी है. ये है आपका ईमेल का स्ट्रक्चर. आपको अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करना, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना.